purpose. She wiping me down, call that bitch Lil Boost. You cross your mans, I call your ass Carrier. When I fuck on that bitch, we be making a move. I fuck her for fun, cut that bitch off a perk. Got Jan, Lil Ed, they gon' slide with a ooze. I come from the hood, man, you know that we work. Can't come to little bitch and these bitches be choosing.
Yeah. Come through your motherfucking block and you know that we swerving. You living life, you ain't getting no money, that mean you gon' die without leaving your purpose. All of my young niggas got on black max, I ain't talking no movie, but yeah, they be purging. She let me fuck from the front and the back, she won't leave me alone, she on Instagram lurking.
She just hit my phone, tell that little bitch I'm working. Tell the little bitch she can leave me alone. I gave her a hug, I ain't doing no kiss. I just fuck it the mall, I ain't taking her home. Realists, they called him about like a cat. She told me to buy her some pink, that shit dolo. I fucked around, got that little bitch a little basket. My niggas on ice like my nickname was Frozen.
I still be stepping when I take my shoe off. Do not read books, cause my name isn't Devin. She caught me cheating, now she tryna go off. Pastor was capping, so we shot the rev. Yeah, that stick got a kick, but that 9 hold 11. Screaming free Brandon like why he ain't melon. She tryna fuck, told her come to the telly.
I hit from the front, then I nut on her belly. Screaming for a toy, they got me doing time. PG-13 cause I'm shooting the movies. Running from tour cause I just did a crime. 80-14 cause my nigga be shooting. 15 a young nigga jumped out the port. Mama told me to just keep on hooping. I said my dudes, man, I'm tired of the court. I was just built for that robbing and shooting.
Lou, yeah, he built for that robbing and shooting. Demon with him like he just bought a car. She tell my phone asking what is you doing. Shit, I'm just chillin', come hop in my car. Slide on your block, see that boy, we gon' do him. Slide on your block, we gon' aim at your middle. Slide on your block, we ain't sending no message. Slide on your block, yeah, we gon' leave it messy.
Slide on your block, then I shoot like on Earth. Slide on your block, then we leave that shit dirty. Slide on your block, leave your body on purpose. Say slide on your block, leave your body on purpose.
Better pat me to guess, I ain't touching no perk. She tryna fuck, I'm in studio working. Better let me fuck, I ain't stunting your twerk. And my neighbors too creepy, I'm closing the curtains.
I'm a big dog and I come from 2-3. I'm a big dog and I come from the mid. And we jumpin' your ass like a motherfucking frog. And we beatin' your ass like we taking the mid. If I do not go up, I'ma just keep on rapping. If I do not go up, I'ma just take your mid. She tryna fuck, but the dick gonna come with some problems. I cannot fuck if that ass is not real.
Slide on your block, see that boy, we gon' do him. Slide on your block, we gon' aim at your middle. Slide on your block, we ain't sending no message. Slide on your block, yeah, we gon' leave it messy.
Slide on your block, then I shoot like on Earth. Slide on your block, then we leave that shit dirty. Slide on your block, leave your body on purpose. Say slide on your block, leave your body on purpose.